How does inbreeding relate to population genetics? Have you ever wondered how inbreeding affects the health of bird populations? Inbreeding is a fascinating topic in population genetics, especially when it comes to understanding bird behavior and ecology. When closely related birds mate, they increase the chances of their offspring inheriting the same genes from both parents. This condition is known as homozygosity. While it might sound harmless, it can lead to some serious issues for the birds involved. Inbreeding can expose harmful recessive alleles, which are genes that can negatively impact an individual's fitness. This phenomenon is referred to as inbreeding depression. For birds, this means that inbred individuals often have lower survival rates and produce fewer offspring compared to their non-inbred counterparts. Research on wild bird populations, like house sparrows, has shown that these effects can be consistent across different environments and population sizes. Small bird populations are particularly at risk. With fewer unrelated mates available, the chances of inbreeding increase. This leads to a greater loss of overall fitness within the population. Population genetics studies often use the inbreeding coefficient to measure how closely related parents are and predict the level of homozygosity in their offspring. For instance, if siblings mate, the inbreeding coefficient is 0.25, indicating a high level of inbreeding. Understanding inbreeding is essential for conservation efforts. Small or isolated bird populations with limited gene flow face a higher risk of inbreeding depression, which can increase their chances of extinction. Population genetics studies help identify these risks by analyzing genetic diversity and inbreeding levels. Researchers use genomic tools to gather this information, guiding efforts to maintain or restore genetic variation. For example, introducing unrelated individuals into a population can help reduce inbreeding. Interestingly, some bird species have developed behaviors to avoid inbreeding. Dispersal, or moving away from their birth area, allows birds to mate with individuals from different populations. This behavior helps maintain genetic diversity and reduces the likelihood of inbreeding. While inbreeding usually lowers fitness, its effects on gene expression in birds can vary. Some studies indicate that inbreeding does not significantly alter gene expression in certain tissues or life stages. This suggests that the fitness consequences may arise through other biological mechanisms. Inbreeding plays a vital role in shaping the genetic diversity, fitness, and long-term survival of bird populations. It is a key factor in understanding how these populations evolve and adapt, especially in small or fragmented groups where relatedness is high. By studying inbreeding within the context of population genetics, researchers can better understand the challenges birds face and develop strategies to help them thrive.